Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and welcome to my channel. My name is Jacqueline, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. As you can see right now, I'm in the bathroom. I want to organize my drawer where I have everything, my lotions, my hair stuff, my everything, because it's really a mess. And even I'll show you what I put on my face, a secret, especially when you are over 40, a secret for your face so that you don't have to have no wrinkles. You know, they start over here. Yeah, when you do like this, they start showing over here. So I'll show you the secret. So come along with me. Come. So it's under here. This is where the magic is. The magic is. Oh, it's a mess. Holy moly. So I'll start with my things that I use for my face. So this is my cleanser. You see what it is? My cleanser. This one. You can see it. It's Vichy. This one, I rather it every night when I'm going to bed, and then after I wash it. Okay, I'll start with my evening routine. My evening routine after day. Oh, this place is a mess. Can you see? It has even the yogurt thing in it. You know what it is for? For coloring my hair. I do my coloring myself. This is for coloring. I'm not a witch. It's for yogurt, but I use it. It's a container for coloring my hair. You know, back home, I'm very broad spectrum. I did rap technician. I did the undressing. I did a lot of things. Okay? So, yeah, I do a lot of things. So, this is the cleanser that I use for my face in the morning to start short, and even for my evening. That's the only thing that I use. And then the lotion. Secret. This is everything in a small bottle. Everything. You see it's written Vichy, Laboratories, whatever. Lift Active. Collagen Spectrum. You know what's collagen? Collagen is that whatever used to prevent wrinkles. It's a very nice whatever. This is the brand that is trusted, and it's almost finished. I have to go and get some today. I have to pass through there to get some. So this one, if you don't want no wrinkles, it's expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, it's worth it. So I put this one during the day, and when you put it, you don't even need powder, nothing, because it makes your face feel like you put makeup already. Yeah, that's the one I use. So, and it comes in this box. This is the box. That's the box. It comes in this one. Yeah, you can read it properly. Vichy Lift Active Collagen Spectrum Cream. And it's good for even sensitive skin, because I have very sensitive skin, prone to acne. And then at night, I use this one to cleanse that off. I have a very simple routine. I use this one to cleanse that off. The same Vichy Rain. And then at night, before I go to bed, after I wash my face, I use this one. Aveeno Positively Radiant. That's a cream that I put before I go to bed. That's the cream I use before I go to bed. I need to organize this place. This place is a mess. It's too much things, even they can't fit. They can't fit here. Too much. Because I'm obsessed with my hair stuff. I think I'll sit here. Oh, Jesus. I hope I'll be able to get up after. So, sometimes you're lazy to wash your hair. This is the one you dry shampoo. You use it to dry shampoo your hair. For my hair and for Olivia's hair, this is what I use. Anyway, I don't use like the same shampoo all the time. as a hairdresser slash lab technician slash nurse slash everything, this one you use at least a month. You use one kind of shampoo and then you switch it up. You see, like this month now I've been using this one. I've been using I've been using this Garnier, and then before that I was using this Head and Shoulder shampoo 2-in-1. Okay, and before that I was using this one. It's called what? Something. Brush Off shampoo. And I don't use like the same thing all the time, okay? And my hair, I'm obsessed with my hair stuff. I have everything in here. The things you see here, the things you see here, it's everything for my hair. Oh my God, I can't get up. This one is for the thing that I use to curl my hair. It gets very hot, so you need the glove. My goodness, it's a lot of things in here. I don't know where to start. Maybe this is a video for another day. So you can see it's a mess. This, the oil, the airsprays. I use Cantu, whatever. I don't know what it is. And I don't even know how to read the names. Anyway, you come here, you get other kind of crap. You come here. That's how you know this lady. She is a hairdresser. Can you see that thing? It's everything everywhere. So anyway, so today, I think this vlog, after I really organize this place properly, I'll show you what it is. Because right now, I need to go and do a little bit of organization. But I just wanted to show you that secret for your face. For your face. I don't want to see people with wrinkles. No, go get that cream. I think it's everywhere. It's universal. I think it's everywhere. So don't tell me I didn't tell you. You don't need Botox or whatever. You need that Vichy cream. Go put it. Okay, that's okay. I know people don't like to tell their secrets, but I'm sharing my secret. That's my secret. Go put on that one, and then let's all look young. Why not? Ooh, this writing in the bathroom makes me look like this yellow sweat t-shirt I'm wearing. And I like my hair too. Maybe I should do a little bit of my hair since I'm here. Today I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone to vlog. I'm using my phone to vlog. So that's the secret. Vichy. You put under your eyes. You put under your... And then at night, put that Aveeno Radiant. Put on your neck. I don't want to see neck wrinkles. I don't want to see eye wrinkles. I don't want to see this. I don't want to. Why? You have those things. You don't need to go under the knife to get a smooth face. Okay? I need a little lipstick for my lips. I'll be right back. And I'm coming to show you my lipstick too. My lipstick. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh, I have to show you from this side. Ta-da! So, I'll put it on. It's called Vaseline Healing Gel. That's what you need for your lipstick. Yeah, that's how you put the lipstick on. This is a nice lipstick, and then after you put it on, you use it even, you moisturize your hands too, okay? Simple. Why complicate things? Don't complicate things. And everything. Oh, I didn't do my hair today. Maybe I need to do my little bit of since I'm here. So this one, it's written, it's hairspray. It's this one. Got to be dazzling hairspray. Shine. Let me make this hair shine, okay? And smells good too. I can't stand the spray though. I have to breathe. You see it's shining already? Can you tell? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And oh, I forgot to show you my this one for my eye. That's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Today I'm a mess. Okay, so you put this for your eyes. You have to look like $1 million bags, okay? So today I was trying to declutter my bathroom drawer, but it's a little bit messy. Oh, I forgot. And even I have a kit. Sometimes I get like the other day I got acne over here. I hate acne. So I have a kit that I normally use. Oh, I'll show you from this side. It's here. That I normally use. That's the one. When I'm trying to pop my pimples. I'm a Dr. Pimple Popper too. So it looks like this. It has this one. You can see. Where is the camera? Jeez. I'm a mess. Yeah. Oh, it's this one. You see? So I put like this. I put it. Who feels like when you're popping pimples, you feel good? I used to have a sister, she liked to pump people's face. You're not aware, you see her on your face like trying to do like that to squeeze your pimple. I'm like, what are you doing? Oh, you have white hand there or black hand or whatever it's called. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Today it didn't go very well, but anyway. I hope you enjoyed my messy drawer. I didn't know it was that messy, but next time maybe I have to organize. But you know what? It's vlog. Vlog, you have to be real. You don't have to be so cute. It's life. Life has to be messy sometimes. It can't be perfect all the time. So, I'll see you on my next one. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you've already done, thank you so much. Love, love, love. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. For the ones who are new here, I am Jacqueline, and I love you guys. Bye.